In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email forwarding in Zoho Mail. Let's dive straight into the process and ensure you have your messages forwarded seamlessly to another email account. The first thing you want to do is log into your Zoho Mail account. Simply navigate to the website at mail.zoho.com and enter your login credentials. If you're not already logged in, you'll find the sign-in area right on the main page. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself at the Zoho Mail dashboard. From here, directing your attention to the top right corner, you'll notice a gear icon. This represents the settings area. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open up your mail settings. Now that you're in the settings window, look for the section known as Mail Accounts. Under Mail Accounts, you'll discover an option called Forwards. Click on that, and you're on your way to setting up an email forward. Here, under the section titled Add New Email Forwarding, click on the text box that appears. This is where you'll enter the email address to which you want your emails forwarded. As you type in the desired email address, it's essential to ensure there are no typos. Recheck the email address for accuracy, because any mistake here can lead to your emails being sent to an unintended recipient. Once you've confirmed that the email address is correct, press Enter on your keyboard. After hitting Enter, you'll see a new option called Verify. Click on the Verify button, and this will prompt Zoho to send a verification email to the email address you just entered. Now, it's time to switch over to that recipient's email inbox to retrieve the verification code. Open the inbox of the email address you specified, and you should find a new email from Zoho Mail. In this email, Zoho will provide you with a verification code. Take a moment to ensure you copy the code accurately, as you'll need it to complete the setup. Once you have the verification code in hand, or rather, on your clipboard, head back to your Zoho Mail account. You'll find a prompt waiting for you where you can paste that verification code. Paste the code into the designated area, and provided the code is correct, it'll automatically verify the email forwarding setup. And there you have it. You've just set up email forwarding on your Zoho account, allowing your messages to be redirected to another email address of your choosing. It's a straightforward process, but it makes managing your emails across different platforms so much easier. Thank you for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check back for more tips and guides on managing your digital